To do this, all we're gonna need is a pair of scissors, some clear tape. It's fine if it's not clear, but clear is more ideal. Your actual package, I'm just using this little envelope thing. You can use a box as well. And basically your shipping label, of course. And the first thing we're gonna need to do when you have your printer right here is you just wanna Control P it. In doing so, depending on your computer type, you're actually gonna see this option down here to rescale it, because this is currently taking up the full screen, which means it would actually be a bigger shipping label than this current package that I'm trying to put it on. So I'm simply going to adjust the scale and put this at about 90%, just because that's currently way too big. And then you click on print once you've selected the printer of your choice. Once your label is printed, you're simply going to want to take it and cut it out. You really want to make sure your label is not too small. If it is, I recommend reprinting it entirely and making the scale bigger. Once you've cut it out, you simply want to put it on your package and take your clear tape right here. If you don't have clear tape, you can just line it with normal tape. And simply put tape over your entire shipping label. It does not matter what type of package that you're actually using. It just matters what it says on the shipping label. So if you're using an Amazon return item box, that's perfectly fine. Or you can see I'm using this random clothing brands package. That's perfectly fine to actually put your shipping label on, as long as the shipping label is covering the old one that was used on the previous package. Finally, we can ship our package. How we can do this is if it actually fits in your mailbox. What you can do is you can simply put it in the mailbox and then put the flag up. If it does not fit in your mailbox, you can take it to the UPS store, UPS Dropbox, FedEx Dropbox, or FedEx store. In doing so, they can actually send your package if your shipping label allows it to actually be sent from there. That's the easiest way by far. If you found this helpful, drop a like and leave any questions you have down below.